Hey, Travis, Brandon, Platypus Motors. Third time's a charm on this head. We had to fix 3 stripped out bolts in the block and had to seal the head gasket. So that seems to have worked. It's been running for about 20 minutes. No leaks down here. No leaks up in here. No leaks up in there. No leaking over here. I think we're gonna be all right. So I'll break it in a little bit more. We'll change the oil one more time, make sure we get all the moisture out of the engine, and then tomorrow I'll take it out for a spin. We'll make sure it's running fine, and then you can come get it Thursday, Friday, or we'll work that out. All right, peace out.